Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag. For this bag right here, this is the Louis Vuitton GM Neverfull in the Damier Ebene print. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. First, I would like to talk to you about Vivea. So these three shoes were sent to me by Vivea, so thank you so much for that. And Vivea was founded in 2020, and they make eco-friendly and sustainable footwear. And these are just such beautiful flats. I work in an office, so if you work in an office setting, this is perfect for you. I live in flats when I go to work, so these were perfect for me. I'm gonna show you guys some mod shots, but I got a just regular black, and then I got this beautiful nude, which has a two-toned, like a wheat color and a very light nude. Also, this looks gray on camera, but if you look really closely, there's some black, some nude, some white. And I love the pointy toe because they make your legs look longer. So that's super cute, and these are just so comfortable, and it's crazy to think that these are all recycled. The thread is made out of recycled products, so that is so cool. So the first pair is this black pair, and these are the Aria 5s, and I got these in a 38. They do have a size guide, so be sure to follow that. Actually, all of these are in a size 38. Next, I got the pointed toe loafers. These are in dapple black. These are for sure my favorite. These are the Wheat Natural pointed toe V-cut flats, and these are so pretty. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this because I usually wear black, but this will be good to have like a neutral. And they are just perfect. So if you work in an office, if you're going to a job interview, a brunch, anything that you want to wear a flat, you can totally find something on their website. And Vivea sells a huge selection of other styles of shoes, so if you want something else other than a flat, you are for sure going to find something. And they have such beautiful colors. It's a very wide range of colors, so I think you guys will really like them. And Vivea was sweet enough to give me a coupon code for all of my friends here on YouTube. You can save 18% if you use my code DREA18. So thank you so much to Vivea, and now let's see what's in my bag. Okay, so here is the inside of my bag. Again, this is the GM size of the Neverfull. I have a bag organizer, even though I do not like bag organizers. This one is from Amazon. I don't like them, but I feel like when I threw like everything in here without the bag organizer, I literally could not find anything. So it's good for that, but I don't like them. I just find them to kind of be annoying and kind of a waste of space, but you may need one for this bag. I highly recommend one for this bag, but I still don't like them. Anyway, so first things first, this is my wallet. This is the Zippy wallet from Louis Vuitton. I love this wallet so much. I have a review on my channel about this wallet. I was thinking about doing an updated review, so let me know if you want to see that. I have this really cute cheetah umbrella. I love cheetah print. I have this water bottle that I got off of Amazon. All of my Amazon things will be linked down below. I have these masks. For a while we were supposed to wear these masks where I work, but now we don't. I just have them just in case. Next, I have this pouch that comes with the Neverfull. Inside I have a perfume sample from Neiman Marcus. This is 100 Silent Ways from Nishani. This smells so good. I highly recommend this. I have it in the full size, but they were nice enough to give me a little like travel size decant, and it smells so good. The other things in here are just some little like Clorox wipes, just in case I need to wipe something down. Then in this middle compartment I have my phone. This is the iPhone 12. This is in all of my what's in my bag videos. This is my portable charger that I got off of Amazon. I love it. This saves me so much at work because you just plug it in and you can charge your phone and your AirPods and everything like that. It is so convenient to have this. Next is my Louis Vuitton key clay. Inside I keep my ID, a debit card, things like that, things pertaining to my car, or if I want to just run out of my house with my keys, This is perfect for that. Hanging off of it, I have my key fob and some mace. This is the little scan card that I use to get into where I work. This is a little raggedy now, but I got this off of Etsy and it is super cute. It says Drea. And then these are my AirPods. I have the original AirPods. This is a cute little Celine case that I got off of Amazon, but they no longer sell this. I will link something similar. In this little pouch, I have my stamps for work, just in case I need to stamp any document. And then in this pouch is my notary seal. Back here, I have this hand cream from EOS. This is the lavender scent. Oh, lavender cream. This is okay. I don't really like this. I don't really like the smell, but it is okay. Back here, this is my planner. I love to have a planner. I love to write things down. This is from Amazon. Now in this pouch, this is literally one of my favorite Louis Vuitton SLGs. This is the Toiletry 19. And in here I have so much. So on top I have a hand sanitizer. I have this mirror from Chanel. This pouch gets so dirty being in my bag, which I don't like, but I love this mirror. It is super cute. I highly recommend it for yourself, to gift to a friend, anyone. It is so cute. Then I have this Chanel hand cream. This is super overpriced, but this is so good. Like, I highly recommend this one. I really want to try the one that comes in the black little egg. It was actually really hard for me to get this out at first. It like just squeezes down, but this is so good and the smell is not overpowering. I was thinking it was going to smell like Chanel No. 5, which I don't like Chanel fragrances, but this is really good, so I highly recommend this. I have a little pill case with headache medicine. Okay, so this is my favorite lip gloss. This is from MAC. Now, if you know this MAC lip gloss, this tube leaks, but this is literally the best clear gloss ever. It makes your lips literally look like glass. I am obsessed with this, but I need to keep it in this little bag so it doesn't leak all over my purse. Then I have this little thing of Tums, which I hate Tums, but sometimes you need them. And then I have some Claritin, just in case my allergies act up. I have really bad allergies. My eyes water really bad. I have these little wipes to clean glasses. I have a few of those. I have some hand warmers, which I don't know why these are in here, but yeah, I have them just in case. Another hand cream. This is the L'Occitane. This used to be my favorite before I tried the Chanel one. I have a Carmax. I have more Carmax because this is literally my favorite lip balm. I have this Chanel lip balm, which is, I don't like this at all. I don't think it helps your lips anyway. It gives like maybe a sheen, but it's really just for the look. I don't like this very much, but it is cute. I have this little purse ring that I got off Amazon. I never used this. I have it just in case. I have this little thing to clean your AirPods. Some like toothpicks, which these kind of look gross. I'm gonna have to change this out, but I have them. I have a Tide to Go pen. I have this hand sanitizer wipe, which I'm actually gonna throw this away. It doesn't feel like there's any like sanitizer on here anymore. And I have a Tide to Go pen, and then I have two other pens just in case I need to write something. I don't know why I have two Tide to Go pens. And that's all that's in here. I do have a burnt dollar. Kind of a funny story. So my boyfriend burnt $1 by accident on some candles, and he took one side and I took the other, so it's kind of cute, and that stays in there. So that's all that's in the main part, but in this little back pocket, I have this little toothbrush holder with plastic straws because I hate not having a straw. Don't come for me because they're plastic. I know they're bad, but I need a straw. I can't drink out of a glass without it. I have some mouthwash. This is my favorite brand. I'm happy that they come in these little cute little travel size. This is from Target. And I have this Hello Kitty Tangle Teaser, which is super cute. and I have some gum, and that is it. That is everything that is in my bag. That is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.